I'm Hasib. I'm a partner at Mushq, and currently I'm overseeing operations. And my current focus primarily is on the digital transformation right now for Mushq. So as you know, Mushq is a leading Eastern wear fashion brand for women, and we are known for our intricate designs, our luxurious quality, and affordable prices. Mushq right now is not just a brand. So behind the brand, we are a retailer, we are a wholesaler, we are a manufacturer, and we are an e-commerce company as well. So we wanted a solution which ticks all the boxes across these segments to be able to call itself as an ERP system for the brand. So the company faced many challenges, keeping the product-related challenges aside. On the ERP side, there were many challenges. In fact, there was no ERP. So we were using a combination of a lot of locally assembled softwares which were not integrated. We were dependent on a lot of spreadsheets where the data entry was all manual, and making any kind of reporting and the decision making was so slow that it was really hurting the business. So slow decision making, lack of readily information available, and such challenges were there, which was hampering the growth of the business. So we were mainly using local softwares because we've started off small and we've grown into such an extensive industry. I think the solutions available were not up to the mark where we are right now. So as per the need, we've kept adding local solutions in form of softwares, in form of spreadsheets, in form of broken down pieces of other solutions which were available in the market. But now we are thinking that we integrate all of them into one ERP solution. So we've started off using Odoo mainly through the point of sale system. So the first implementation was done on our retail network. It was a successful implementation, and we quickly realized that this is the go-to solution for us, and we went to the next phase of implementing that onto the e-commerce. So once the front-end sales segment was taken care of, now we've decided to move into the phase 3 of our ERP implementation, and we are taking it all out onto the supply chain, logistics, manufacturing, and production sites now. So Odoo has really helped us grow, and not only grow in terms of top line, but it has really helped us save on a lot of costs. So after having a clear inventory view, I know what my investment is there. So I could track my sales output. I have been focusing very aggressively on pushing sales and getting numbers, product level, color level, and so many detailed level layering of reporting is there, which really helps us fast track the decision making. On the manufacturing side, as we are going to implement it soon, we are really looking forward to help us optimize costs, increase production efficiency, and really help us fast track order processing.
Okay, Hasib, so if you could describe your experience with Odoo in one word, what would it be?
Transformative.